Linear app tutorial for beginners, how to use the Linear app. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use the Linear app. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, as you can see, I'm on the website linear.app, and we can go ahead and get started with it. And this is the website right here, and we can go ahead and click on start building to sign up, or click on sign up at the top corner to begin. So we can go ahead and create a workspace using Google, email, or SAML, but I'm going to continue with Google. You can choose whichever option you want. Then we input the name of a workspace that we want. So here I'll just go ahead and name it, and then click on create workspace, and we should be good to go. All right, we are now logged in. So now all we got to do is just simply click on get started, and now we choose our style. I'm going to keep it dark, light is too much, and here we go. So meet the command menu. So complete any action in the seconds by typing in the command menu. So try opening the command menu. It'll be Control+K. So here is the command menu. Here I can go ahead and assign tasks, assign to me, change status, change priority, add labels, and if you scroll down, there's just too much. It's quite a lot. So now we can click on continue, or remember to open up the command center. Okay, so that was easy. We'll remember it and bring it up later whenever we need it. So now connect to GitHub. So Linear leaks the issues and the GitHub pull requests automatically. Linear syncs issues status when a pull request. So now we just simply authenticate it. You can do this later as well. Totally depends on you. But if you want, you can click on this one and continue. I'll do this later, and we can invite coworkers. So I'll do this later as well. And then subscribe. I don't want to subscribe to anything. Click on continue. You're good to go. So now we can open up Linear, and we are in. So here we go. Active issues. All right. Active issues represent work that is currently in flight or should be worked on the next. So got it. We'll keep that in mind. So here we go. On the left hand side, we'll have our issues or projects, and these are the to-dos. Get familiar with Linear, set up your team, connect your tools, and import your data. So let's get started. So here on the left hand side, as you have all of your main options, right? You've got your inbox, you've got your projects, your workspaces, and you've got your team, and then you have some other options as well. So in your workspace, you can see right here, you've got your projects. And the projects, you can create new projects over here. Then you have views over here where you can create different views. If you click on more, you will have teams and members. You have the option to customize the sidebar. Then here down below, you have your team where you have your team name. And here in that team name, you have your issues. These issues are all assigned tasks, right? So for example, you can see right here, this is a to-do list, right? So first things first, if we click on that, click on one of those issues, we can see it opens up everything, and this is how it looks like. We can create different types of issues over here. So going back, setting up your team, connecting your tools over here opens up this section where we can go ahead and integrate Slack, GitHub, and agents, right? So these are the key integrations. So we have to create issues from Slack messages and sync threads, GitHub/GitLab to automate your pull requests, and agents to deploy AI agents that work alongside your team. We can browse all the integrations by coming over here into the integration directory, which we can also find over here on the left hand side. This is the desktop application as well, but here is the link to it as well, and we can open it up from here. No need to go ahead and figure that out. So here are the integrations. Here we can go ahead and install these integrations. We can see we have we got GitHub, GitLab, Slack, Google Sheets, and Intercom. Then down below we got our agents. These are going to be AI agents that we can install, and these are the AI clients like ChatGPT or Cursor or Claude. And we have engineering, where we have other options over here. These are all available. So let's go ahead and actually install one of them. So let's go ahead and click on Slack and actually go ahead and install it. So we're going to click on add to Linear and wait for it to open up. It's going to open up here in the app section right here. Slack. We'll click on enable. It'll open up this little pop-up where we have to go ahead and log in into our Slack workspace. So it would have been better if you had already logged in into your Slack workspace. So actually what I'll do is I'll close this up, open up a new tab, and here I'll go ahead and log in into my Slack account. All right, so I'm now in Slack. I've logged in. I'm going to use Slack in the browser. Then we can go ahead and enable it. That way we won't have to go ahead and, manually log in again. All right, so I'm just simply going to close this up. All right, so we already have our channels ready as well, so we won't have to worry about that. So let's go ahead and enable Slack. It's going to, again, go ahead and open it up and find that. And now here we can select the workspace as well. So this is the workspace that I want. And we have everything else ready. So we can just simply click on the allow button and move on and click on allow. And I think that would have, yep, There we go. Slack updates will now be sent. So here, if we come back over here at the bottom, we will see we have the Linear app ready. And here we go. So we can create issues over here. So you can create a new issue in Slack by typing the /linear. You can also click on the more action up menu in the 3 dots from the message thread. So if we click on the 3 dots over here, we can see right here, create new issue or create an existing issue. So issues are basically, tasks that we have in the to-do list as well. So that's how we can connect our Slack account. And now if we come back over here, actually let's go ahead and open up Linear and actually create a new issue. So let's go ahead and create new issue. And here we have the issue title. We can select team. We select the team. We can add the title over here. I'll just add like a testing option over here. Add description, and the status is to do, in progress, done, cancel. We'll go into to do, and assign. We don't have anything over here, so we'll leave that as well. We don't have any labels as well. We'll set those up later. We can upload a file, and then we'll click on submit, and now it should be good to go. Now if we come back over here within the issues section, now we have a new issue called testing. So there you go, pretty cool. And there we go. So next, of course, we can create different projects right here, right? So we can create projects by clicking on the create new project button or pressing P and then C. Yeah, it's P and C. So press P and then press C together, and then you can create new project. So here we can add project name. We can add the type of project it is. This is the status. So in progress plan, we'll go with plan. Priority, we'll go with medium. And here we can set lead, people that you have in your team members over here. And then here you can select your members. Here is the start button. We can select the start date and the target date, which is going to be like the schedule date or the end date. And then we have labels where you can start typing in different labels, and you can add a project summary for that name. So whatever you want to call it, we can set that up. Down below we have milestones. You can set milestones up every single month or every single week, totally depends on you. And then you can click on create project, and now you have a project, right? So created projects, boom. Now if we open up the project, we can write in the project update over here, the description, milestones, like all of that stuff. So of course you can type in within your team over here. So here within the team, let's say you want to create a message board or something like that, you can create them. I don't actually see a message board as well, so it should be here. I don't see one, but that's fine, because we have the inbox section over here on the left hand side at the top. So here you can talk to your team members as well. So, and you can see the projects. We have the testing project right here within the Zonked team as well. So pretty cool. So if you watched the video so far, then you know now how this website works perfectly and how you can use it to make money online, and how you can use it to start your own business online as well. Just make sure to do everything I did in the video in a step-by-step manner, and you'll be good to go. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.